So last class we discussed octal to binary by using 4 to 1 system. This class we are going to discuss binary to octal, that is base 2 to base 8. So we'll see an example problem. See, from binary to octal or from octal to binary, for this both cases 4 to 1 values, that 8 values, no binary to octal relationship is very important. Without knowing this you cannot do this conversion. So we'll see an example problem. Convert 100.01 to octal. So 100.01 is the binary value given. So what we need to do here is first take the integer part. What is the integer part? What is the value given in the integer side? 100, right? From the 100 value is there, no? In that value you have to make 3 binary digits as one group. That making a 3 binary digits one group has to be started from right to left. So from right hand side to left hand side I am going to grouping the 3 digits. Okay, so first start with 100, that is one group, and again 100 is there, that is I make it as a second group. Coming to the fraction part, 0 1 is there, only 2 binary digits are there, one more digit we need to make a 3 digit group. So for that what we are doing, adding the zeros in the rightmost side, not in the leftmost side, adding zeros in the rightmost side of the fraction part. Now 3 groups I have, 100, 100.010. Now just convert that binary values into octal values directly. See, left hand side already I have given 4 means 100. 4 is the octal equivalent of the binary value 100. So 44.2. 44.2. So 2 means 010. Already is given in the left hand side. So what is the octal equivalent of the given binary number? 44.2 is the octal number for the given binary value. So we'll see the next problem. Convert octal to binary again. Previously we saw the binary to octal. Now we are going to see octal to binary. 76.5 is given, is the octal number. We wanted to calculate binary equivalent. So 76.5. What is the binary equivalent of octal number 7? 111. It is there in the left hand 4 to 1 system. Just see what is the binary equivalent of 7? 111. What is the binary equivalent of 6? 110. What is the binary equivalent of 5? 101. It is there in the left corner, top left corner. So 76.5 octal number binary equivalent is 111110.101. This is the binary equivalent of the given octal number. Next one, third one. Convert 11000101.0101 to the base 2 to octal. So which number is given here? Binary number is given. Which number we wanted to calculate? Octal number we wanted to calculate. See, generally we know binary to octal means what we need to do? Make 3 digits as one group. Make 3 binary digits as one group. So if you take in the integer side, make this group from right to left, whereas in the fraction side, left to right. See the integer side. First we'll see the integer side. First we start from the right side to left side. So 101, first 101 as one group, and 000 as next group, and 1 is remaining 0. So one binary digit is missing, that's why I am adding zeros to make it 3-digit group. Then coming to the fraction side, 0 1 0, that is one group, and 1 is there in the next group, and 2 digits are missing, that's why I am adding zeros to make it 3-digit group. Now convert all the groups into equivalent octal number. 011 means 3, 000 means 0, 101 means 5, 010 means 2, 100 means 4. So 305.24 is the octal equivalent of the given binary value. So we'll see the next one, hexadecimal to binary. We'll see the important topic, hexadecimal to binary, that is base 16 to base 8. We'll take an example problem. Convert ABC.6 to the base 16 to binary. So previously we discussed 4 to 1 system for converting either from octal to binary or from binary to octal. Here we are going to see a system called 8421 system. 8421 system supports for 16 values, for 16 hexadecimal values, whereas 421 system is used for 8 octal values, only 8 octal values. So we'll see how we are getting the binary equivalent of all the 16 hexadecimal digits. Start from 0, 0 0 0 0, 1 means 0001, 2 means 0010, 3 means 0011, 4 means 0100, 5 means 0101, 6 means 0011. So similarly, for all the 16 hexadecimal digits we have given here equivalent binary values up to F. Alright. So with the help of these values, we can easily convert any hexadecimal into binary or any binary into hexadecimal. So here hexadecimal value is given, we wanted to calculate binary value. So what is the hexadecimal value given? ABC.6. What is the binary equivalent of A? 1010. It is there in the right hand side. Just see. What is the binary equivalent of B? 1011. What is the binary equivalent of C? 1100. What is the binary equivalent of 6? 0110. Then we got directly the binary equivalent of ABC.6. What is the binary equivalent value? 1010, 101111, 00.0110. This is the binary equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So we'll see next one, binary to hexadecimal. See, previously we discussed hexadecimal to binary. Now binary to hexadecimal, how we are going to convert, we'll see. Base 2 to base 16. We'll take an example problem. Convert 1010, 1011, 1100.0110. The same value, previously what is the answer we got, that same answer I'm taking as a question here. Now what we are doing here, please listen here. 4 digits I make it as one group. See, previously binary to octal 3 digits we make it as one group, whereas here 4 digits I am going to make it as one group. See, integer part means from which side we have to start this grouping. From right hand side to left hand side we have to start grouping. So right hand side, totally 4 values I have to take as one group, that is 1100. Next 4 digits are 0111, sorry 1011. Next 4 digits are 1010. Coming to the fraction part from which side you have to make the grouping? From left hand side. So left hand side, here only 4 values we have, that 4 values I take it as a group, that is 0110. Now convert all these binary groups into equivalent hexadecimal values. 1010 means A, 1011 means B, 1100 means C, 0110 means 6. So what is the answer? Finally hexadecimal equivalent is ABC.6. I hope you understand this. We'll see octal to hexadecimal. How can we perform octal to hexadecimal? I think most of you knows first what we need to do, octal to binary, then from binary to hexadecimal we have to calculate. So we'll see how we are going to perform this. We'll take an example problem. Convert 75.16 to the base 8 to hexadecimal. So 75.16 is the octal number given. Equivalent binary value we can easily calculate by using 4 to 1 system. So what is the binary equivalent of 7? 111. What is the binary equivalent of 5? 101. What is the binary equivalent of 1? 001. What is the binary equivalent of 6? 110. So we got the binary equivalent value, that is 111.00110. So from this binary value I am going to calculate the hexadecimal value. So from binary to hexadecimal, how we have to perform? From binary to hexadecimal, how we can perform the conversion from binary to hexadecimal? Making 4 binary digits as one group in the given number. See, integer part if you take, totally 6 digits are there. You have to make this grouping from right side to left side in the integer side. Whereas in the fraction side, left side to right side we have to make the grouping. Please remember now I am going to group 4 digits. Grouping the 4 digits in the integers. Just see, take the integer side 1101. I make it as one group. And next 2 ones only I have 2 more digits are required. So I'm just adding zeros to make it 4 digit group. Coming to the integer side, 0011, I make it as one group. And next what I have, 10, I have 2 more binary digits are missing. So simply what we need to do, we need to add zeros to make one group, make it as a group. So now just convert all the binary groups into equivalent hexadecimal number. So 0011 means 3, 1101 means D, 0011 means 3, and 1000 means 8. So 3D.38. This is the hexadecimal number. So far all the conversions we have discussed. I hope you understand. Any problem, if you feel a difficulty, kindly drop that particular problem. We'll discuss in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.